That's a spectacular sight. I wish you could see yourselves. Welcome. By the powers vested in me as Pro-Chancellor, I declare this ceremony open for the awarding of degrees and diplomas of the University of South Wales. I would like to invite our Deputy Vice-Chancellor, Professor Donna Whitehead, to speak to you now.
Please sit down. Pro-Chancellor, graduands, honoured guests, congregation, Croeso Mawr I chi gyd. Today is an important day for many reasons. It's a chance to celebrate your achievements with your family and friends, to bring a symbolic close to your endeavour to achieve your qualifications, and for us as a university to welcome you into our community of graduates. We are always immensely proud to do that, and each year this is the day that we all look forward to the most. The last couple of years have been different, with our day-to-day interactions and routines turned on their heads. Our ability to be human to the fullest extent, to see each other and to share the joys and challenges of our personal journeys has been stressed and tested. Throughout that time, we have endeavoured to be a source of constancy when so much else was uncertain. We gave each other structure, classes to attend, even if they were taking place virtually, schedules and deadlines to meet, assignments to hand in, and exams to sit. A reason to keep going and move forwards. We were able to do this because our roots as a university are strong. In our purpose to prepare you for the world outside the walls of our campuses and to give you opportunity. And since the establishment of our founding institution in the 1860s, right here in Newport, to use education to help solve the scientific and social challenges of the day. With a constant purpose, this university has prospered through periods of significant social change, periods of global conflict, and now a global pandemic. And throughout all of that, we have added to the ability of our region, nation, and our international community to remain resilient and prosper because of the talent that we produce and the research that we undertake. There is no denying that your story of university life has been different. It may not always have been what we collectively hoped for, but it's certainly been memorable. And regardless, you did it. You've all achieved. You've completed your awards in perhaps the most difficult circumstances experienced by any graduates. And that is testament to your tenacity, your resilience, and your ability. It's those qualities, along with your qualifications, that you are now taking into your own careers and lives. You are making your own mark on the world like thousands of USW graduates who have come before you. Thank you for your hard work and dedication. As I start this ceremony in this fantastic venue, I want you to remember three things. First, today is your chance to celebrate your achievement. Second, that achievement is down to your hard work and tenacity. And third, and most importantly, we are incredibly proud of every single one of you. Da iawn. Diolch yn fawr.
Gadawch ido fod yn hysbys I alora'r brifysgol ac I bawb sydd I membr senol I cynheli'r cynulliad o Brifysgol de Cymru yn Ninas Casnewydd ar ei ynfer ar y 20 o Arfanaf 2022. Heddiw, yn trydydd yn ysgolheigion sydd wedi profi drwy y dieithrwydd o hymdrech ysgolheigaeth, ei bod yn gymoes I gael ei derbyn a gyfrigraffau a hymystodau'r brifysgol. Drwy yn trydydd ei creithiad, Gadawch i'r ein sydd I membr senol, gydnabod a hymroemiad a dathlu I lwyddiant. Byddsoddyn a'n gobeithion yn disgwyladau ynfynd, gan obeithio I byddant yn rhoi a talent a disgerbron o proffesiwn a'n cymunedau, a derwyn I byddant yn cynfrannu a thifodol a'n camdeithias gydag yn trydydd a clod. Let it be known by members of the university and all here present that a congregation of the University of South Wales is held in the city of Newport on the 21st day of July, 2022. Today, we honor scholars who have demonstrated through their intellect and scholarly effort that they are qualified to be admitted to the degrees and qualifications of the university. In honoring their achievement, let all here present recognize their dedication and celebrate their success. We invest in them our hope and expectation that they will put their talent and learning at the service of their professions and our communities, and we trust that they will contribute to the future of our society with honor and distinction. Diolch, thank you.
Pro-Chancellor, I present to the congregation the Faculty of Business and Creative Industries candidates that have been awarded the Master of Arts in Documentary Photography. Adrian Fear. The Master of Arts in Graphic Communication, Grace Springer. The Master of Science in Marketing, Mohammed Shaheen Ahmad Chowdhury. The Master of Science in Public Relations, Aman Kumar Dar. Ruhonima Bose Igbodi. Tanmarul Hassan Jawad. Manaz Jahan Mona. Abid Hassan Nayan. Bachelor of Arts in Advertising Design, Freya Eve Anderson. Joe Cook. Emily Anna Furman. Marta Monica Hermoso Chamorro. Ridian Jones. Ryan Pickett. Morgan Robin. Chloe Scammell. Grace Elizabeth Sims. The Bachelor of Arts in Animation, 2D and Stop Motion, Lucy Bishop. Charles Ezuede. Charlotte Harrison. Thomas Madams. Joseph Mills. Sammy Muxon. Rafaela Veloso. Lily Eloise Ward. Chloe Angel Williamson. The Bachelor of Arts in Computer Animation, Grace Barnfather. Henry Blanchard. Jacob Robin Johnson Bruce. Malgorzata Babika. Sophie Elizabeth Burt. Mariam Christoforou. Max Collis. Megan Paris Hill. Dylan Lewis. Alana Meek. Alana O'Brien. Chloe Pitney. Jamila Melrose Viaggio. The Bachelor of Arts in Computer Game Design, Jazz Banson. Ashley Brown. Taliesin Charles Lewis. Shalini Dutta. Oliver Gallup. Ellie Louise Marden. Jacob Matthews. Jan Neckfertal. Adam Parker. Chelsea Perry. Kathilma Zahayan Rajavelu. Jake Sparks. Alexandra Sumner. James Viles. Jack Rees-Williams. The Bachelor of Arts in Costume Construction for Screen and Stage, Kologa Kamoith Nangaru, Brianna Jane Evans. Erica Denise Evans. Ellen Jane Harwood. The Bachelor of Arts in Documentary Photography, Jonathan Archibald. Stephen Bell. Oscar Brain. Nathaniel Davis. Connor Doran. James Elloway. Malachi Francis. Ross Gardner. David Anthony Hahi. Jonathan Glynn Hosgood. Samuel Patrick Hunter. Ashley Karen Jenkins. Tracy Jones. Lydia Susan Kalasti. Hannah Llewellyn. Laurie Norris Broughton. Sophie Daisy Grace Potterton. Katie Elizabeth Sainsbury. Luke Sumner. Marta Wojcicka. The Bachelor of Arts in Fashion Design, Neve Davis. Sashina Malsha Disanayaki. Bethan Jones. Francesca Elizabeth Marshall Howe. Siti Aisha Maslan. Sophia Nardone. Olivia Sodi. Lily Terry. Georgia Wintle. Denitsa Yordnova. The Bachelor of Arts in Fashion Management and Communication, European College of Business and Management, London, Natalia Grote. Fatima Njoya. The Bachelor of Arts in Fashion Marketing and Retail Design, Dominika Dostolkova. Sarah Grace Karina Irvine. Becca and Harrod Morgan. Evangelia Paraftasis. Emily Wood. The Bachelor of Arts in Fashion Promotion, Alex Bevington. Amy Biggs. Chloe Bircham. Cora Carlson. Nora Bryn Yulsrud Howe. Caris John. Jessica Saffron Jones. Shauna Knapman. Chloe Lamb. Leah MacDonald. Isabel Kate Mansfield. Tia Meredith. Matthew Pearce. Eve Rosevear. Albertine Solhow. Zoe Turner. The Bachelor of Arts in Game Art, Sydney Anna Brandt. Cameron Scott Damerel. Jolien Duncan Morley Dixon. Caitlin Dunsmore. Owen Matthew Empson Moore. Harry Jones. Olivia King. Tyler Kite. Elizabeth Rose McMorrow. Charlotte Amelia Price. Lila Somojai.
Fe wnawn ni nawr glywed datganiad cyddorol gan fyfymwyr o Goleg Brenhinol Cyrdd a Drama Cymru. We now hear a musical interlude by students from the Royal Welsh College of Music and Drama. Our National Conservatoire is part of the wider University of South Wales family. These talented performers will graduate with Bachelor and Master of Music degrees from the University of South Wales, and we congratulate them most warmly. Llongyfarchiadau. Yn perfformio ar ein cyfer ni heddiw, mae Royal Welsh Wind Quintet a byddant yn chwarae Fest Fanfare and Ablett Medley. Raddedigion, gwesteion, graduands, honoured guests, congregation, please give a warm welcome to the Royal Welsh Wind Quintet.
The Bachelor of Arts in Graphic Communication, Ben Aaron. Thomas James Baker. Jason Rohit David. Evelina Davison. Millie Evans. Jacob Fawcett, Bethany Fitt, James Carl Frost, Lydia Harris, Joseph David Hellard, Sabrina Hicks, Megan Lee Jones, Hope Lacey Manning, Samantha Victoria Alice Ord, Lydia O'Regan, Stephanie Piatek, Ryan Philip Robbins, Cade Rosser, Georgie Rowland, Poppy Georgia Staples, Daisy Madeline Olivia Tobin, Dylan Reese Trulove, Georgia Turnbull, Fionn Vowles, Amy Wade, the Bachelor of Arts in Illustration, Vaiva Anglicate, Jan Bokgai, Emily Clark, Kit Margot Cronin, Kang Dang, Sarah Dixon, Zane Grief, Tapira Harkup, Megan Hickman, Emily Ann Hodge, Alison Howard, Shannon Hughes, Holly Kelly, Jessica Littlejohns, Eleanor Logue, Kiara Manship, Amy Moody, Eve Morgan, Emily Nichols, John Phillips, Rachel Phillips, Harry Rayson, Charlotte Said, Sasha May Stewart, Fionn Thomas Dyer, Alice Williams, Amy Williams, Sasha Wood Hops, Talitha Young, Bogna Zdragodska, The Bachelor of Arts in Interior Design, Ellie Dix. Emily Charlotte Evans. Ludmila Kazana. Imogen Masters. Simba and Lovu. Megan Cerise Robinson. Roma Eve Shapansky. Ebony Tiley. Jacob Williams. The Bachelor of Arts in Photography, Gagana Alexieva. Stanley Barker. Juliette Colvin. Elu Hyam. Kai Hill. Melissa Hurd. Megan Jenkins. Grant Jones. Callum Lewis. Josh Mallinson Malvern. Heather Marsden. Vlad Marar. Glesney Morgan. Chloe Nash. Jasmine Price. Bethan Smile. Claire Smith. Caitlin Spark. Paris J. Tankard. Kerry Woolman. The Bachelor of Arts in Television and Film, Hair, Makeup and Special Effects, Coliga Cumoedd, Nangaru, Caris Bethan Evans. Layla May Hamonda. Abby Victoria Lewis. Emily Chloe Lillian Louise Moriarty. Gabriella Laura Moss. Hallie Mae Pittman. Tia Rose Wasama. The Bachelor of Arts in Television and Film Set Design, Jessica Arthur. Georgina Barker Roberts. Harry Burrows. Jaden Kane. Joanne Crompton. Rose Harvey. Rishabh Jain. Gallen Jones. Nia Langley. Max Lafloic. Ariel Lerner. Grace Long. Morgan Tia Masters. Georgia Moole. Sophie Pearce. Ella Hannah Thomas Morgan. Urania Vakulis Morris. The Bachelor of Arts in Television and Film, Prop Making, Colega Camoedd Nangaru, Caitlin Jade Priest. Ashley Sims. The Bachelor of Arts in Visual Effects and Motion Graphics, Jonathan Barber. Adam Joshua Benwell. Hannah Ruth Burridge. Alfred Collins Bishop. Connor Davis. Kyle Mahoney. Lucy Nichols. Daniel Tate. Anthony Janushan Thanarajaratnam. Jamie Williams. Samuel Ellis Wilson. The Foundation Degree in Arts and Games, Art and Design, Cardiff and Vale College, Cardiff, Sasha Robbins. The Foundation Degree in Arts and Illustration, Coleg Gwent, Cross Keys, Serena Lewis. Cara Smith. The Foundation Degree in Arts and Photography, Coleg Gwent, Cross Keys, Beth Ann Morgan. No? Louise Probertman. Charlotte Vaughan. Russell Vaughan. The Foundation Degree in Arts and Photography, Merthyr Tydfil College, Fionn Badham. Travis Bentley. Jade Elizabeth Rowlands. Lewis Williams. The Diploma of Higher Education in Advertising Design, Samantha Richards. Higher National Diploma in Creative Production Arts, Colega Camoedd Nangaru, Megan Elizabeth Andrews. Morgana Rasheen Chamberlain. Janie Ellen Dunstan. Toya Dyer. Manon Neve Evans. Laura Mary Hackett. Katie Ann Meeson. Sarah Stroer. The Bachelor of Arts in Fashion Management and Communication, European College of Business and Management, London, Lisa Rexigel. The Bachelor of Arts in Illustration, Anon Johnston. The Bachelor of Arts in Television and Film Set Design, Emma Viney. The Bachelor of Arts in International Business, Moaid Rabi De Alion. The Bachelor of Arts in International Business, Mohammed Alian. The Bachelor of Arts in Computer Games Design, Holly Merrifield. The Bachelor of Arts in Documentary Photography, William Osborne. The Bachelor of Arts in Documentary Photography, Teofi Jane Davis. The Bachelor of Arts in Documentary Photography, Thomas Christopher James Cronin. The Bachelor of Arts in Advertising Design, Michael Adam Belender. Mihal. The Bachelor of Arts in Advertising Design, Maria Provolova. Pro-Chancellor, that concludes the awards for the Faculty of Business and Creative Industries.
Colleagues, I think we've missed an opportunity. Will someone open a shoe shop in Treforest? There's a lot of expense on shoes here today. Lovely to see you all. Congregation, colleagues, friends, guests, and most importantly, graduates. Graduation is always an occasion for this very formal academic ceremony. More significantly, perhaps, for all of you in the audience and our graduates in particular. It is a moment of great pride. For parents, partners, and friends here today, it is an occasion for warmth and great emotion. Your pride is shared by us all here on this stage, especially so today, having studied through such a difficult pandemic. I would like to take a moment to recognise that our graduates may not have achieved this success all alone. Sitting in the audience today, right up to the top, are the people who they have relied on for support, encouragement and understanding, and money. Yeah, I thought that would resonate. As they tackled the challenges of their degree in what can only be described so many times today as unprecedented situations and times. I'm sure you will agree when I say collectively, you and they all deserve a warm round of applause. For each and every one of us on the stage today, it is the high point in every university year and one we have greatly missed over the last few years. Some of us had the privilege of a catch-up in March for graduates that had missed their ceremonies in the last few years, and I am hugely proud of USW that they carried out those ceremonies. Many graduates will have missed the opportunity that you've got today, so please, please savour it. I also want to pay tribute to the nearly 3,000 staff at this great university. They too have played their part, teaching, mentoring, feeding, supporting, counselling, encouraging, and occasionally cheering you all along, I suspect. Bringing about student success is what my colleagues are all about. Therefore, I believe that they too deserve our acknowledgement of and appreciation for the part that they've played. However, primarily today is a celebration of you, our new graduates, and of your achievements. We know from long experience that the higher education this university provides is highly valued by employers, and the university's success in fitting its students for the world of work is justifiably a source of gratification. However, we are equally proud of our impact in transforming individual lives through education, training, and knowledge. We strongly believe that USW nurtures citizens who, as they go into the world of work, can and will play a constructive role in public life. You now have the ability to think critically, to subject assertions to robust analysis, to explore difficult or contentious issues in an atmosphere of respect and positive expectation, crucial skills in every walk of life. That brings this ceremony to a close. Congratulations to all of you, and I'd like you now to stand for the national anthem.